Hi, my name is Summer and I'm in the Intro to Welding class. We do a lot of stuff in this class, but before we go take a look at what everybody's doing in the lab, the most important rule in this lab is that we have our safety glasses on before we enter and our PPE on. Hello Jacob, what are you working on?
I will be plasma cutting this piece of metal right here. Put your hand right here. Go.
Hey Matt, what are you working on?
I'm working on stringer beads with the gas metal arc welder. You gotta have an outside gas that protects your pool when you're welding. And then you also have a wire that continuously runs through the gun. And now we're gonna do a stringer bead.